Hello, I'm David, a computer technician at AVADirect, and today's AVARigs is a special one because we're going over my personal system. This is my actual system that I recently built, and this is my daily driver. This is my selection of parts. And so for my system, for the case, I went with a Revolt 3 from Hyte, and I really like this case. It has the handle so I can take it to my friend's house and stuff like that. It's light and compact and just exactly what I was looking for. So for the main specs, for the motherboard, I went with an ASUS B650E-i gaming. It's a ITX board for Ryzen 7000. It's pretty good quality. It's one of the higher end boards that you can get for ITX in Ryzen 7000. I was trying to decide between the X670 version and the B650 version of this board, and I decided that the USB ports, or the USB 4 ports, weren't worth another $150. For the processor, I went with a Ryzen 7 7700X. Now this will be primarily a gaming PC. I don't need to do any content creation, so the only thing I cared about was single thread performance for gaming, and 7700X had the best option for me. For the RAM, I have 32 gigs of DDR5, 6000 megahertz from G.Skill. Now for storage, I have a 500 gigabyte Gen 4 drive. I didn't need a ton of storage because I already have network storage, so it really just handles my operating system and some games that I use really frequently. For the graphics card, I went with a Radeon 7900 XT. I just really like the card. I primarily play Call of Duty, and it competes very well with the 4080 and the 4090 in that title, and is much cheaper. So I thought it was a great option for me. And it's really good at playing Modern Warfare. It's really good. Now for cooling, I went with an ASUS LC2 240mm all-in-one. It will cool the 7700X really well. It's quiet. It looks nice. It matches the aesthetic of the case being white. That doesn't really matter because you can't see it anyways, but I know that it looks good. Thanks for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed the system. It's not much, but it's mine. We have a new Discord. There's even a whole channel devoted to showing off your builds. The link will be down in the description below. I'll hope to check out your builds there, and I'll see you next week.
If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com.